Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for many of your digital visualizers, document cameras, projectors, and presenters. The Jantoy 6FT-UL listed AC power cord. This particular cable is engineered with specific compatibility in mind, making it an ideal power solution for Lumens models such as the DC190, DC158, DC211, and DC166. One of the immediate standout features of this power cord is its UL listing. This certification isn't just a label. It signifies that the product has met rigorous safety standards, providing users with peace of mind knowing their devices are powered safely and reliably. The generous 6-foot length offers excellent flexibility, allowing for convenient placement of your equipment without being tethered too closely to a power outlet. This is particularly useful in dynamic presentation environments or when setting up a home office. Durability is where this Jantoy power cord truly shines. It boasts an ultra-durable PVC jacket, which has undergone extensive testing, reportedly enduring over 10,000 bends. This level of resilience means the cable is built to withstand the daily rigors of use, resisting fraying and damage that often plague lesser quality cords. Inside, the copper cable ensures a safer and more consistent power flow, which is vital for protecting your valuable electronic devices from power fluctuations. Furthermore, the connectors are specially designed and reinforced to prevent common breakage points, adding another layer of longevity and reliability to the product. These multiple protections are integrated to safeguard both the cable itself and the connected appliance. This power cord is incredibly versatile, serving as an excellent replacement for an old, worn-out, or lost power cord. It also functions perfectly as a handy backup, ensuring you're never caught off guard during an important presentation or recording session. The sleek black color ensures it blends seamlessly into most setups, maintaining a professional aesthetic. It's always important for potential users to pay close attention to the compatibility notes. While this cord is designed for specific Lumens models, confirming that your appliance matches the power cord specifications and that the power cord port size aligns with your device before purchasing is a crucial step to ensure complete availability and functionality. What users ultimately receive is a single pack of this high-quality, robust power cord, weighing a mere 2 ounces, which makes it surprisingly lightweight for its impressive durability. This Jantoy power cord offers a dependable and safe power solution, making it a smart choice for anyone needing a reliable connection for their compatible visualizers, cameras, or projectors.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.